Nomenclature of alkanes. Alkanes, which are aliphatic unsaturated hydrocarbons, contain only single covalent bonds between carbon atoms. Each of the carbon atoms in an alkane has only sigma bonds, no functional groups, sp3 hybrid orbitals, and is bonded to 4 other atoms, each of which is either carbon or hydrogen. The categories are acyclic alkanes and cycloalkanes. These are the examples of alkanes structure. The systematic names of organic compounds follow the accepted rules and indicate the compound's chemical structure. It is IUPAC system of nomenclature. IUPAC stands for International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. According to IUPAC, the name of every organic molecule has 3 parts. The first part is prefix. Prefix shows the location of the substituents. Parent indicates the number of carbon, and the suffix represents the family of the organic molecule. For example, 2-methylpropane. The prefix shows methyl group at the second carbon. Prop means 3 carbons as the parents. Ane represents it from an alkane family. Alkyl group is carbon substituents bonded to a long carbon chain. It formed by removing 1 hydrogen from an alkane. Examples are methyl ethyl. There are 4 main steps in naming alkane. The first step is find the parent carbon chain. Secondly, number the parent carbon chain. Third, identify and number the substituents. And the final one is write the name as a single word. In identifying the parent name, find the longest continuous carbon chain in this diagram. There are 6 carbons in the longest carbon chain with 1 methyl substituent, so the parent name is hexane. Keep in mind that it doesn't matter if the chain is straight or bent. If there are 2 chains of equal length, pick the chain with more substituent. The straight longest chain produces 2 substituents, while the bent longest chain produces 1 substituent only. Therefore, the correct parent chain is the straight longest chain. In numbering parent chain, the lower number should be given to the first substituent. If the first substituent is the same distance from both ends, number the chain to give the second substituent the lower number. If the location of 2 different substituents are same from both ends of the main chain, assign the lower number alphabetically to the first substituent. The IUPAC name of organic compound must be written in a single word without space. Separate the number from letter using hyphen and between numbers using comma. The number 2 and the word methyl is separated by hyphen and no spacing between methyl and hexane. If 2 or more different substituents are present, write them in alphabetical order, so ethyl, methyl, E before M. When 2 or more substituents are identical, indicate this using prefixes di, tri, tetra, penta, hexa, and etc. There are 2 methyl in this molecule, so dimethyl is used in naming this compound. However, we ignore prefixes such as di, tri, and tetra in deciding on alphabetical order, so E before M, not D. and make sure each substituent has a number. In a compound with branch alkyl group, numbering always begins at the point where the group is attached to the parent chain. In this video, the blue bond represents the bonding between alkyl group with the parent. For 3 carbons alkyl group, the straight chain branch is called propyl, while 2 carbons chain branch with a methyl branch is called 1-methyl-ethyl. Note that ethyl is like a subparent for methyl. The common name of it is isopropyl. Iso means a methyl group attached on the carbon before the last carbon chain in the branch. Furthermore, the branch alkyl group is called isopropyl because there are 3 carbons in total in the branch. For 4 carbon alkyl group, the straight chain branch is called butyl, while 3 carbons chain branch with a methyl branch is called 1-methyl-propyl. The common name of it is sat-butyl. Sat means secondary, or, to simplify it, a methyl group attached on the first carbon on the branch, and there are 4 carbons in total in sat-butyl. The common name of 2-methyl-propyl is isobutyl because there are 4 carbons in total in the branch and a methyl attached on the carbon before the last carbon chain in the branch. The common name of 1,1-dimethyl-ethyl is 3-butyl. Third means tertiary, or to simplify it, 2 methyl groups attached on the first carbon on the branch, and there are 4 carbons in total in the 3-butyl. 5 carbons alkyl group. The common name of 2,2-dimethyl-propyl is neopentyl. Neopentyl means a quaternary carbon bonded to 3 methyl groups and 1 methyl lane group. Prefix iso and neo are considered part of alkyl group name for alphabetizing purpose, but sec and third are not considered. For isopropyl 2-methyl-heptane, I before M. For third-butyl 2-methyl-heptane, ignore T, so B before M. Notice that you have to put hyphen between third and butyl even though there are words.